Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Willie T with an E and a 3, and we back with another video. And today, man, I gotta stop building these Miatas, man. I gotta stop doing it. Actually, that's not what we're talking about today. We're really talking about the BMW Z3. That's really what we're talking about today. But hey, listen, I found a barn find BMW Miata. We all know what that is. That's that BMW Z3/Z4. We don't know which one is which. I ain't watched the video, but let's get right to it, man. Ain't waste no time. Yeah, free. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. Watch the whole video because we got some shit on the way. RX-7, beautiful. Oh, that's that nigga merch, man. That merch hard.
Christ, Eric. What you just do?
Oh my gosh.
All right, what's going on, guys? We're about to go pick up this car.
What is this?
He texted me back. He's on the way. We have to go to Sacramento. It's
This
2
is a
hours
truck?
away. We got to go get this car. It's a really good deal, so I got to go get cash from the bank.
Got that chase, yes sir.
Good.
Money spread. What the
All right, this
What?
is literally all planned within 10 minutes. He gave me the address. I woke up Ethan, and now we're in the car.
That's how it works. That's how it be.
Guys, so we're driving. We're like 30 minutes out. We've been driving for like 2 hours. The guy basically said, oops, I got the mileage wrong. It actually has 60,000 original miles, so I don't think we're gonna turn this thing into a drift missile now. I think it's more like we buy it and then drive it around for a little, you know, I'll daily it. And then if someone offers me on it, then I'll probably sell it. But for now, I think it's just in such good condition, like mechanically, hopefully, with that mileage, that I kind of just want to drive it around. Maybe slide it a little bit, but for the most part, just daily it.
Type shit. We don't even know what car we're getting. Is it this? That's definitely a Z3. What happened to it?
What do you think?
Dude, I love it, man. This is like, it slides.
Look at all the cars in this nigga yard. What the R34 GTR. We got an FD RX-7. What is that? An M3 BMW?
Really well.
E46?
Unfortunately, it does have really low miles, so I can't
E46. You got an Acura Integra back there. God damn.
keep it forever. Like, its value is in the collector that wants to have it next, but I will really enjoy it for the next couple thousand miles while it's in my name, registered under my name and insured. And dude, it's really exciting to have like an old car that looks really cool that drives so well, because you don't find that very often. Because it's just a low mile chassis, it just feels like it's brand new. So even though it's like 20.
Have you shown him yet? Turn the key. Show him the mileage.
Yeah.
Still remembers his old E36 days?
Yep. Dude.
59,000
original miles. E36, dude, like literally like
unheard of for an E36.
Literally, I wanted a Miata, and I was like, I miss my E36 because of the power. So I got this.
A
Don't
BMW Z3.
It's sat outside for a while.
It's had a rough life.
Oh, I thought it was scratched up and shit. It's just dirty as hell.
Oh. We'll clean that up. But as a car mechanically,
And it's a hardtop?
freaking solid, man. Fired up after not starting for 10 years, by the way.
Literally 10 years.
Literally 10 years sat.
Put a battery in it, turned the key, turned right on.
Turned right on.
Drove it 3 hours home.
Crazy.
Probably not the wisest thing, but it made it.
But you know what? The tires were like vibrating on the highway because they have flat spots, but like still made it, bro.
Damn.
All right, what is going on, guys? It is a couple days
That
later.
close as fuck.
Got the battery out of the car. I'm not gonna lie. Tried charging it. Definitely not gonna work. It's from 2011, as you guys.
Damn.
Right there. So we're gonna go exchange it at O'Reilly's for a core fee, and then core refund or whatever, and get a brand new battery.
Yes, sir, Ski. That's how you do it. I had to do that in my Camaro, bro. Had the original factory battery in that shit.
All right, guys, got the new battery. It was like 200 bucks, so not bad.
Same.
Brand new battery.
What the hell? How did he open that shit up? My shit was also in the trunk. Oh.
There we go. Just got to give a couple twists, you know. All right, I have a little passenger right
My boy is
Passenger
hyper.
Passenger princess.
other than like the mold on the seatbelt, it's kind of nice.
It's not bad, right? Can I offer you any condiments from 2016?
This quarter?
Perhaps some old gum, maybe a sun visor with stains
Oh
on
my
it.
gosh.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Bro, this quarter isn't even a quarter anymore. This is like sun faded.
Can I offer you a stress ball?
What is
From
this?
2006. Oh, it's kind of sticky. It's got some sticky stuff
Oh
on
my
it.
gosh.
Yeah,
Ew, I know that
is
shit
literally
felt terrible.
right here, my seat. I'm literally getting my ass ate by the seat, bro. It's tearing me up.
Dude, there's so much mold in here.
Yeah, it's not that great.
It's a stick though.
Oh, that's good.
Wait, I
And
think yours will go down,
3.
No, it'll go. Wait.
Type shit.
I don't know.
Feel all the vibrations from the flat spotted and dry rotted tires.
Yeah.
These tires are over 10 years old, so.
My seat is also feels like a rock.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's.
It hurts your ass.
Oh shit.
Yeah, just like you.
Whoa, wait a minute.
It's not bad, honestly. I think if it was wet, maybe learn how to slide it a little, but
Tight shit.
yeah, I don't think I have enough power to like hold a Monty down the street. Not that I would do that, but just.
That is an interesting year though. I mean, the BMW Z3 is actually an interesting car. BMW said, sorry, Japan, but we can't let you have like the only roadster in production. So let's bring our own roadster, and there they go.
Just.
Dude, your mirror doesn't work.
No, there's no mirror in there.
It's not.
What the fuck?
Yeah, the tires are pretty old, so.
Yeah.
But the horn works, I think.
Oh, he hit that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, he hit that shit.
Okay. Goodbye, poop.
He hit that.
I gotta go wash this thing now.
It look good though.
Like guys, we're at a car wash. I only have $3. That's minimum.
Let's talk about these self car washes. Why can't I just put the money in there? Like put a lump sum of money, like maybe put like $10. In all honesty, bro, by the time you get done really washing your car and all that shit, you gonna spend about like damn near $10. And on top of that, they should let me stop it and the timer stop too. Like, why is the water not running but the time's still going down? Make it make sense, bro.
$, and then the vacuum's $1. So I literally have the bare minimum in order to wash and clean my car.
That $2 gonna get you 3 minutes, bro. And go ahead and get all that stank off. That shit stank, I know it. Shit, 10-year-old rust. Dookie rust. Cleans up pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Cleans up pretty nice. Yeah, you gotta get all that. Nah, that shit coming right off though. That's the real shit. He ain't gonna have time to watch that bitch. He gonna have time to rinse that shit off. That's it. Shit gonna be over with. That shit getting up in there. I ain't gonna lie. It's doing the job, and it's doing it well. And it's low-key satisfying as hell, cause you really get up in there. I would have loved to clean this car.
Yeah, I'm okay.
I barely cleaned my own car.
Not bad for a quick little wash.
How did he wash the whole car, bro?
Not gonna lie. Okay, still some left. I probably gotta hit it with a deep clean at home.
It's a kitten.
What is going on, guys? It is the next day. Ethan's finally
Back
back from
up,
his
bro.
business trip, so we're gonna go test out the car. We didn't really get to drive it because literally he had to leave at what? It's like
9 a.m. the next morning.
no, wasn't it early? Wasn't it like 5?
Oh, I left at like 5.
Left at 5 a.m. So now he's finally back. We get to finally enjoy the car together and see all the problems that the car has after sitting for 10 years. My fully legal 2016 registered BMW Z3.
You're what?
What's up, guys? Suchi here. I'm going drifting tonight.
Tight shit. What are the E46?
I can't see anything, bro. The windshield's completely smeared.
Oh yeah, it's raining now. Finna get lit.
Hey, put the window down. Oh. What the? Dog.
What just happened?
Hello?
We missed it.
Stall it a little bit there?
It's harder to manji than I thought.
Really?
Yeah.
It's pretty clean right there. You did it.
Really?
Well, no.
Well, no.
Oh.
Depot be having these spots, bro, to drift at.
Yeah, did you see me?
Yeah.
Did you do it?
Huh?
Did you do it?
No. I mean, sort of, not really.
Here, I'll film you. Go, or we'll film you. Oh. Oops. Oh.
Almost like that shit. Jeez, Tokyo drift down.
Dude, I think it's a car, bro.
Nah, bro, Ethan spun out too, don't worry.
Yeah, I know. He spun out, bro. Like,
Yeah, he didn't even make it down the street.
Bro, I think
Yeah.
it's a car, bro. Like, it's dry rotted tires, you know. It's like, yeah. That's what I pretty much did that too.
Yeah, he did that shit. No doubt. I don't think I got no. They got no power.
It's a tire.
Yeah.
He hitting that bit. I'm not gonna lie. That
Yeah, I think
E46 hitting that one.
How do you slide the whole thing? I don't have an M. I think that's why. I'm not making excuses, but I think it's
It's the
because
M.
it's not a Z3M. If it was a Z3M, I'd be sliding it, you know? It's stock, bro. That's why.
I think you're ass.
No,
No, you kidding. Is that it?
Hell it
That's
is,
totally
Griffin.
it. Oh, free M3.
Dude, random M3 grill on the side of the road?
Yo.
Okay, let's do the famous one more, which is where you fuck everything up and you crash.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, he hit that shit every time.
Oh, God, no.
Oh, he hit it. He hit it.
Too much. Too many beans. Careful. Nah, we're good.
That's what he was talking about. When you fuck up. I think he hit that shit too.
That's okay. No seatbelt.
Yeah,
don't crash.
No, see, I'm filming too.
Oh, okay.
Not bad.
Nah, hitting that.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. Me and Pickle are here. We're just doing an outro
Pickle is
together.
crazy.
She's really happy to be here. But yeah, if you guys saw, we picked up the Z3. It was a barn find. We actually found it listed with 180,000 miles. Not unfortunately, but fortunately for us, I guess, in a sense. It actually only had 60,000 original miles.
How do you get 180,000 and 60
Pickle actually
mixed
ran
up?
away. I swear she loves me. But anyways, yeah, we pulled up to the Z3.
He just yapping though. I don't know why I sat there and sat for most of that. But that's the end of the video, man. If y'all made it to the end, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. And man, bro, y'all just don't understand. We got some new things coming on the channel. I mean, it's on the way. Like, ain't it like the thing is here. The content on the way though. You know what I'm saying? I still got a lot of other videos I need to upload on YouTube, like my go-karts and shit. But this next chapter, we going up, bro. Next chapter, we going up. We need 50K. 50K subs. End of the year. 50K subs end of the year. We might need that 100K sub plat. That's all I gotta say. But we going up. We going crazy. We already monetized. I hope y'all watch it. If y'all made it to the end, y'all really far. Like, I fuck with y'all heavy. Cause I mean, y'all watch some ads. And I mean, we gonna get paid. If I get paid, you get paid. Cause you know what I'm saying. If I get paid, y'all get paid. Cause I'm finna get y'all these fire ass content. That's in the video. You know what I'm saying? All I'm saying is this reaction page, it's reaction channel right now. Well, we finna transition, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm on reaction shit. We finna transition, and I'm still bringing out that daily content. What should be daily content, just something a little different. But I say too much. He's gonna get right into it, man. But that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification, and yeah, I got you. Get you on me, and got you. You better get you one. Cause them give me one. Like in mind for you get yours. I'ma tear the city up for real.